Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me Afreen. I hope you're doing really well. So I'm a little worried because the sun is about to set and it's going to be dark, and I hope this lighting is working for us. So anyways, in today's video I'm going to be reviewing these lip and cheek tints from Ekte. Now this is how the outer packaging looks like. I don't want to waste any time and just quickly show you how and what the product looks like. So I got these from Ekte. Now Ekte is an organic brand. They have everything natural. They also claim to lighten the pigmentation of your lips, so it's like makeup and skincare. So that's what really stood out for me, and I thought of giving these a shot. So there are 3 shades that I have. One is this one, which is orange lip and cheek tint. Actually I'm quite confused and worried if this is going to look good on me, because orange is something that I always stay away from. So yes, this one is one of my favorites among the 3. This is beetroot lip and cheek tint, which says it has natural beetroot and tomato extracts, and it can lighten the lip tone and moisturize chapped lips. So this really sounds interesting. And the last one is this one, which is pink rose petal lip and cheek tint. It has natural pink rose extract, lightens up. Again, same claim, So these 3 exactly looks like this. This one is the rose one, this is the beetroot one, and the orange. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is, now I have incomplete makeup on. I have applied concealer, done a little bit of contour, like just a tiny bit of bronzer is there on my face. And yes, I am gonna apply some on my eye, some on my cheek, and I'm gonna wipe this and apply this. So let's get started. All right, so I just took the lipstick off. There's nothing on my lips now, and I'm gonna try all of these. So first let me quickly open it and show you. So this is how the packaging looks like. You have to take out the outer lid, and ta-da, it smells really nice. This actually smells like rasna we used to get when we were kid. Like, I hope you remember rasna, orange flavor. This exactly smells like that. So I'm gonna dig in, and ta-da, wow, this is pigmented. Just look at the swatch. Nice, right? But is it blendable? Let's see. Yes, it is blendable. So if you see, it gives a nice tint. Not scary, otherwise I'm usually very scared of orange. And then let's try the next one. Again, it comes in the same packaging, and okay, this one it has a slight bit of shimmer. Let's quickly swatch. Wow, I'm gonna swatch it here. Again, very mild, and it looks nice, gives a natural tint. I hope you can see this is orange. This is the petal rose pink one. This is how it looks. You can obviously build it up. That's what I've realized just now. You can build it up as much as you want. And then comes my favorite out of them all, is this beetroot one. And again, okay, this got stuck. Wow. Okay, so this is how the beetroot lip and cheek tint looks like. I'm gonna swatch this as well. This I'm gonna apply here. This is also nice. Like, it's not that stark maroonish red. It has a flush of pink and red both. That's what I absolutely like. So if you see, this is more of corally orange, and these 2 you can easily use for everything, for your lips, for your eyes, for your cheeks, everything. So I'm gonna quickly apply some on my eyes. I'm thinking to go with this one because this has slight shimmer. So let's try it. I'm not gonna use any brush. Let's see if it is easier to do or not. So yeah, taking some on my finger and directly applying it all over my lid. Not bad actually. It's quite creamy. It's nice. I'm gonna just blend it using my finger. Oh god, I don't have extra mirror anyways. Did you see that? It's not too difficult. It's not heavily pigmented that you like gonna spoil your makeup. It's very nice. Obviously it is buildable. If you want, you can if you want to make it more pigmented, you can apply as much as you want. Definitely looks nice, quite natural. I'm just gonna blend it nicely. So as you can see, I'm not using any tools. It's purely my fingers and doing it. Wow, it looks nice. Actually, it's very nice, and because it has slight shimmer in it, it gives that glossy effect. Wow, this is actually nice. I hope I have blended it really well. Yeah, this is great, right? Now I'm gonna apply this one, the beetroot one, on my cheek. I don't have any blush on right now, so yeah. Did you see that? Wow, it's natural, it's nice, it's not, you know, heavy. It feels very light. It feels as if there's nothing on my skin. Smells yum. This, okay, sorry. This actually smells like a bubble gum. Wow. Applying some on my nose because I like it, you know, that way. So this gave me a very, you know, natural flushed look. Wow, this is really nice. I'm gonna apply some more because I like a lot of blush. I just feel that, you know, it makes me look alive and, you know, quite flushed and nice. So ta-da, this is it. This is amazing. I love this shade and this too. Like, these two are definitely gonna be into my favorites list. And then let's try the orange one. I'm thinking to apply it on my lips. Let's see how this looks. So yeah, no lip balm, nothing. Not bad. Okay, this is quite moisturizing. Not bad. I was actually thinking that this is going to look a little weird on me because I always stay away from an orange lipstick, but this is kind of a peach, like, you know, it looks a very peachy sort of a tint on my lips. This is really nice. So guys, that's it. I'm sure you already know how amazing these products are. If you are looking forward to try, you know, lip and cheek tints at an, you know, affordable range, not exactly cheap range, but these are priced at rupees 7.99. If you are planning to get these, you can buy them from the app, at the app, and you know, use this coupon and, you know, get like flat 10% off. So must try. If you ask me, like, one shade that you have to try, that you must try, has to be the beetroot one. But this is also good. Like, I'm quite confused between the two, and this one came as a, you know, surprise. This actually looks nice. If you are into peach, you know, peachy toned lipsticks or, you know, lip tints, try this. This is also great. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it meaningful and useful. Also, do let me know if you have tried this product because I am so glad I got these. These are amazing and I would definitely recommend. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Bye.